The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Tuesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 11, verses 20 to 24. Jesus said, "Alas for you, Chorazin! Alas for you, Bethsaida! For if the miracle performed on you have been witnessed by Tyre and Sidon, they have long repented. Alas for you, Capernaum! If the miracles performed on you happened in Sodom, they would have been standing still." My dear friends, the gospel is a reminder for all of us. We cannot claim always to be better, holier, and far from those people who are perceived to be sinner. The gospel is just reminding us that instead of feeling holier than others, instead of maligning others just because we feel that we are holier than them, we rather show mercy. And it is not up for us to judge other people. It is not up for us to set aside others who are perceived to be sinners. It is God's duty, not ours. Our duty is to remain faithful, to continue inspiring others, and to continue spreading God's blessing. We have been given the privilege to witness and experience God's miracles in our lives, not to stand on top of others, but to inspire them and to let them see the goodness and kindness of the Lord. Otherwise, the Lord would tell us, "Alas for you, if the miracle and if the blessings you received have been seen and received by others, they would have repented. But we keep on sinning." So therefore, let us be gentle and be more understanding of others. And let God be felt by everyone through us. God bless you.